Welcome to day number 29. If you've not been following this series, please roll back to day number 1 and then you will learn a lot of 5 Luo words a day. Today is day number 29 and we talk about Aila. Aila. Aila is a nettle plant. Aila, that's a nettle plant. Ogwonyore nikech ne obet e aila. Ogwonyore nikech ne obet e aila. He's itching because he sat on the nettle plant. Number 2 is aiti. Aiti. So aiti is a trench, usually for trapping game, wild game. It's a trench made for trapping wild game. Aiti. Aiti. Aidha omoko e aiti. Aidha omoko e aiti. All right. Number 3 is Ajawa. Ajawa. So Ajawa is a rattle. It's used as a musical instrument and it's made from the calabash. Jolemo goyo ajawa mamit sama giwer. Jolemo goyo ajawa mamit sama giwer. Ajawa. Ajawa. Number 4 is Agieca. Ajieka. So Agieca is the final drops of blood, milk or food. The final drops, the last 2 drops is called Agieca. Agieca. And the last word today is ajiki. Ajiki. That is rain that is continuous but in very small quantities. Ajiki. Nyoro koth ajiki ne ochwe. Nyoro koth ajiki ne ochwe. So in this case, they experienced a continuous drizzle for a long time, maybe 4 or 5 hours. It drizzles continuously for a long time. Ajiki. Ajiki. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And please remember to subscribe to the channel to always get notified when we post a video. And these videos post every day at your local time. Welcome and see you tomorrow on day number 30.